Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm explaining to you how to make money with Chrome extensions. So most people see extensions as simple tools, but for a creator they are powerful revenue engines. Because they live directly in the user's workflow, they offer a level of retention that standard websites can't match. Today I'm breaking down the 3 most effective fixer strategies to monetize your Chrome extension in under 90 seconds. Alright guys, so let's talk about this. So the first thing you should do is the freemium model. That's something a lot of our developers do these days. So you can offer your core utility for free, but log high performance features like advanced automation or bulk reports behind a monthly subscription. Tools like Stripe make it easy to integrate a paywall directly into your extension's pop-up. Then next we have one-time licensing. So if your tool solves a specific one-off problem, like a data scraper or a layout fixer, a single lifetime license is a great way to generate immediate cash flow. Then white labeling. So if you build a powerful tool for a specific niche, like real estate or Shopify management, you can sell the entire source code or a branded version to agencies. This is the fixer shortcut to a 5-figure payout without managing a massive user base. Monetization is about solving a friction point so well that users are happy to pay for the time you save them. That's it. If this breakdown of extension revenue helped you spot an opportunity today, hit that like button and thank you for watching.